सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to 280th class अशीत्युत्तरद्विशततमी कक्षा अद्य एप्रिल मासस्य 13 दिनाङ्कः। अत्र वयं श्रीनिवास महोदय सुभाषितानि पठित्वा एकं पाठं तत्र पुण्यात्मा साधुः इति पाठम् अधिकृत्य किञ्चित् पठनं सञ्जातं गतकक्षायाम्। एषः पाठः सम्पूर्णतः न पठितः, द्विपृष्ठात्मकं पृष्ठात्मकः अयं पाठः। तत्र पृष्ठद्वयं समाप्तं स्यात् प्रायः। So we have read 2 pages almost on this Punyatma Sadhu, a story about a sadhu and his condition to the king. We've been reading, and we are trying to see also Sankhya Purana Pratyanta Prayogas in this story. Numerical numbers, cardinal as well as ordinal numbers, we are trying to locate them, highlight, they are not highlighted, but we are trying to see where they appear in the story. So we start. Srinivas, you read Rajan.
Yeah. Rajan, Bhavan Mahyam Swasya Prathamam Putram न दत्तवान् भवतः एते षट् पुत्राः भीरवः सन्ति भवान् मया सह विश्वासघातम् आचरितवान् अहं भवन्तं शपामि मम शापवशात् भवतः राज्यं विनङ्क्ष्यति।
So in these 2 lines the sage got angry because we know the story from the back. He put a question to every prince, which way to follow. द्वयोः मार्गयोः केन मार्गेण गन्तव्यम् इति साधुना पृष्टः प्रत्येकं तत्र राजकुमारः। द्वितीयः मार्गः एव सुलभः, सुलभमार्गेण एव गच्छावः, वयम् आवां गच्छावः, परन्तु तत्र कष्टतर मार्गेण न गन्तुं अङ्गीकारं न सूचितवन्तः ते सर्वेपि राजकुमाराः। अतः साधुः कुपितः अभवत्। कुपितः भूत्वा राजानं प्रत्यागत्य राजन् इति राजानम् उद्दिश्य एवं वदति, हे राजन्, भवान् मह्यं स्वस्य प्रथमं पुत्रं न दत्तवान्। O king, you have not given me your first son, prathamam, that is the ordinal. Bhavan mahyam, to me, bhavatah swasya prathamam. Swasya means your own. Swasya prathamam putram na dattavan. You have not given me your first son, prathama. Bhavatah ete shat putraha. These, because the Sadhu was under the impression that the king had 7 sons, and king only knows that he has 6 sons only. He is not aware of the first queen's children, because he did not give the fruit to the first queen. 6th queen, first queen? Last queen, that is 6th one, 7th queen. So he thinks 6 are only born, and even Sadhu also is under the same impression. Bhavatah ete shat putraha, these 6 sons, ete shat putraha, bhiravah santi, are very timid fellows. Why they are bhiru? Bhiru shabda is timid. They are timid because they want to go by simple way. They don't want to take any adventure. They are not ready to take adventurous route. That is why ete shat putraha bhiravah santi. Bhavan maya saha Vishwasaghatam acharitavan. You have cheated me. You have cheated. That's all. Vishwasaghatam means you have done what do you call Vishwasa, treacherous act with me. Acharitavan. Aham bhavantam shapami. So the angry, kruddhaha, kupitaha, sadhuhu, shapitum api tatra prabhavati. Aham bhavantam shapami. I want to curse you. Mama shapa vashat, due to my curse, bhavataha rajyam nangshyati. Your kingdom will perish. This vinangshyati is the future tense of vinashyati. Present tense, vinashyati.
साधोः क्रोधपूर्णेन वचनेन राजा भीतः अभवत् इदानीं मम कः पुत्रः
अवशिष्यते
एकैकं षण्णां राज्ञीणां षट् पुत्रान् साधवे अहं दत्तवान् तथापि साधुः एवम्
आक्षिपन्नस्ति
राजानं चिन्तितं दृष्ट्वा कश्चन अमात्यः अवदत्
Okay, you can pause. Sadhoho krodhapurnena vachanena raja bhitaha abhavat. King became bhitaha, frightened by the angry words of the sadhu. Sadhoho, what is sadhoho? Vibhakti Srinivas? Yes, Shashti. Sadhoho krodhapurnena vachanena, by the angry words of the sadhu, Raja, the king, bhitaha abhavat, was terrified, was frightened, was scared. So he said to maybe himself, Idanim mavakaha putraha avasishyate, which son of mine is left over now? I have already given him 6 sons. Idanim now, mama kaha putraha avasishyate, who is now remaining? Which son of mine is remaining now? Ekaikam shannam ragninam shat putran sadave ham dattavan. He thinks, I have given 6 sons to the sadhu of my 6 queens. Shannam ragninam shat putran sadave aham dattavan. I have offered my 6 sons of the 6 queens. Tathapi still sadhu evam akshipannasti. Why is the sadhu angry and blaming me? Why is he cursing me like this? Rajanam chintitam drushtva. When the king was so worried, seeing the worried king, Rajanam chintitam drushtva, seeing the king worried, kaschana amatyaha avadat, some minister came up to him and said, read 3 lines.
Maharaja, saptamyaha rajnyaha api dvau putrau stha. तस्याः प्रथमं पुत्रं साधवे अर्पयतु इति ततः राज्ञः निर्देशेन कनिष्ठायाः राज्ञ्याः प्रथमः पुत्रः घोटक्याः मार्जर्याश्च पुत्राभ्यां सह साधोः आश्रमं प्रति प्रस्थितवान् साधुः यदा पूर्वोक्तं विपथं प्राप्तवान् तदा तमेव प्रश्नं पुनः पृष्टवान्.
Maharaja, so the Amatya said to the king, Hey Maharaja, O great king, Saptamyaha Rajnyaha api dvau putraustaha. Your 7th queen, Saptami, that is the ordinal number. Saptamyaha Rajnyaha api dvau putraustaha. Even your 7th queen has 2 sons. Tasyaha prathamam putram sadhave arpayatu. You please hand over her first son, prathamam putram. Tasyaha saptamyaha rajnyaha prathamam putram sadhave arpayatu. You offer her first son to the sadhu. Iti tataha rajnyaha nirdeshena kanishtayaha rajnyaha pratamaha putraha gotakyaha marjaryascha putrabhyam saha sadhoho ashramam prati pastitavan. Tataha, thereafter, Rajnyaha Nirdeshena, by the order of the king, Kanishtayaha Rajnyaha, the youngest queen's putraha, Pratamaha putraha, the first son of the youngest queen, Gotakyaha, and also the, mares, Marjaryascha, and also the cats, Putrabhyam Saha, along with the sons of the mare as well as the cat, female cat, sadhoh ashramam prati prasthitavan. The sadhu left towards the ashrama along with the son of the seventh queen and seventh queen and one son of the mare, one son of the this cat. Then sadhu yada purvoktam dvipatam praptavan. When the sage again reached the previously gone two roads, dvipatam praptavan, when he got there, tada, then tameva prashnam punah prishtavan. Again he asked the same question with these three also, sons of the king. That is, which way should we go? If we go by one ekena margena yadi gamyate tarhi 3 masan. 3 masaah tatra avashyakaah.
6 days and 6
weeks.
6 days and 6
Tamam sadhave. 6 days, okay. Shad divaseshu. Anyena margena yadi gamyate tarhi षड मासाः तत्र भविष्यन्ति इति. So मार्गद्वयं तत्र अस्ति. परन्तु you have to read.
परन्तु एतस्य राजकुमारस्य उत्तरं तु सर्वेभ्यः भिन्नम् एव आसीत्. षड्भिः दिनैः प्राप्तव्येन मार्गेण गच्छावा इति राजकुमारस्य वीरतापूर्णम् उत्तरं श्रुत्वा साधुः प्रसन्नः अभवत्.
So parantu, but surprisingly, when the sadhu, the sage, earlier questioned the 6 Rajakumaras, all of them preferred the easy way. Now this son gave a different way. Parantu etasya Rajakumarasya uttaram tu, the answer of this prince, sarvebhyah bhinnam eva asit, was different to all other Rajakumaras. Sarvebhyah bhinnam means different from all the 6 previous 6 one. Bhinnam eva asit was Shadvihi dinaihi praptavyena margena. He said, we will go by that way by which whereby we can reach in 6 days. Shadvihi dinaihi praptavyena margena gacchava iti. So the boy said, we will go by the way by which we reach the ashram in 6 days. Rajakumarasya virata purnam uttaram. When the sadhu heard the virata purnam uttaram, what kind of answer was? It was a heroic answer. Srutva, after listening to that, sadhu prasannaha abhavat. The sadhu became happy at last that a heroic answer was given to him. Then
Tataha Rajakumaraha
Swakiyam Ashwamaruhya
Shannam Dinanam Margam
Dinadvayena Atikramya
Sadhoha Ashramam Praptavan. Tatra Rakshasaha Upatravam Kurvanti Sma. Te Rakshasaha Ashramasthan Sadhum Pirayanti Sma.
Okay. Tataha, thereafter, Rajakumara, the prince, Swakiyam Ashwamaruhya, having mounted his own horse, Swakiyam Ashwam Aruhya, mounting his horse, Shannam Dinanam Margam Dinadvena. Actually, that road, Marga, was to take 6 days. But this boy, Shannam Dinanam Margam Dinadvena, in 2 days he covered it. And he was so brave that even the path which was difficult to and which would take 6 days was travelled by him in 2 days. Shannam Dinanam Margam Dinadvayena Atikramya, having crossed in 2 days a path which was to be crossed by in 6 days, Sadho Ashramam Praptavan. He reached the ashram of the sadhu. Tatra, there in the ashram, Tatra means Tatra Ashrame, Tasmin Ashrame, Rakshasaha Upatravam Kurvanti Sma. They were creating havoc. They were creating all the havoc there in the ashrama. Te Rakshasaha Ashramastan Sadhun Pidayanti Sma. And those Rakshasas were harassing the sadhus, the sages who were there in the ashrama. So there was Pidayanti.
Shatam Rushayaka Tan Sevante Sma. एतत् सर्वं दृष्ट्वा व्यथितः राजकुमारः सर्वान् राक्षसान् ताडितवान् साधून् च विमोचितवान् ततः सः तेभ्यः अभयं प्रदाय सर्वान् यथोचित
यज्ञादिकर्मसु
नियोजितवान्। ततः सः साधुः आश्रमं प्राप्तवान्। शान्तं तपोवनं विलोक्य प्रसन्नः जातः। आशीर्भिः योजयित्वा राजकुमारं नगरं परिषितवान्।
ते राक्षसाः आश्रमस्थान् साधून् पीडयन्ति स्म. They were all harassing the sadhus in the ashrama. अपि च moreover शतं ऋषयः तान् सेवन्ति स्म. On top of that, 100 sages were serving the rakshasas. शतं ऋषयः तान् राक्षसान् सेवन्ति स्म. They were serving the rakshasas. Sarvan rakshasan, sorry. These 100 sadhus were involved in serving the rakshasas. Sadhuncha vimochitavan. And this boy, Rajakumara, etat sarvam društva, having seen all this, Vyatitaha, very troubled, Rajakumara, the prince, Sarvan Rajakumar Taditavan. He beat up all the Rakshasas. Sadhuncha vimochitavan. And he released the sadhus from the clutches of the Rakshasas. Rakshasebhyaha sarvan api sadhun tatra vimochitavan. Tataha sa tebhyaha abhayam pradaya. And then this new prince gave them abhaya pradaya sarvan yathochita yajnadi karmasu niyojitavan. After giving them assurance that they will not be further troubled by the Rakshasa, abhayam pradaya sarvan yathochita yajnadi karmasu niyojitavan. He put them in their respective works. He asked them to do their respective yajna yaga. Tataha, thereafter, saha sadhu, that sadhu, ashramam praptavan. That sage or sadhu reached his ashram. Shantam tapovanam vilokya. And having seen a peaceful hermitage, prasannaha jata, he became very happy. Ashirvihi yojayitva. And he blessed the young prince with Ashirvada, Rajakumaram cha nagaram prisha, and he sent him back to his city. So this is the story. Now we will rapidly go back, Srinivas, and see where the Sankhya and Purana Pratyantas are there. Yatra yatra Sankhya Shabdaha, Purana Pratyanta Shabdaha santi, tan ekavaram pashyamaha. Prathama, first.
Shat putraha.
Shat is Sankhya Shabda, Shat putraha. Dvayoho, third line. Dvau, two. Saptasu, teshu saptasu, putrishu. Saptasu is a numerical number. Saptamyaha.
Dvau putro.
Yeah.
Then Prathamam putram again. Second means Shat putran.
Yeah. Is first paragraph over now? No, not over. Prathamam putram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th line. Saptasu putreshu. Saptasu. Ekam. Shat putraha once again. Shadbihi derived here. Shadbihi putrai.
Doing it from the first page onwards. We did up to.
We have done. Oh, that is okay.
Whatever we started today.
Today we will do. Okay. I thought I did not do that. We did that.
Yeah, yes. Rajan Bhavan Maham. Prathamam putram here.
Okay.
Yeshat putraha.
Saptamyaha Rajnyaha. Second paragraph. Last paragraph. Saptamyaha.
Shat putran.
Yeah, Shat putran.
Then
Saptamyaha Rajnyaha. Prathamam putram. Pratamaha putraha. Yes. Shadbihi dinaihi. Shadbihi dinaihi. Shannam is derivation of. Shannam is adjective to Dinanam. Shatam, one numerical number is there. Shatam Rushayaha, 100 sages. Vyatitaha. That's all. Nothing more here. Okay, we are entering into another aspect of Samskrita Vyakaranasya Anyam Nutanam Amsham Tatra Shatru Pratyantam. Shatru Pratyanta Rupam. Shatru Shana Chiti Pratyaya Dvayam Asti Srinivasa. Shatru Parasmai Pada Dhatubhyaha Prayujyate. Shatru Pratyaya. Parasmai Pada Dhatubhyaha. धातूनाम योगे परस्मै पद धातूनाम योगे एव शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तः प्रयुज्यते शत्रु शत्रु इति पदमस्ति न अत्र श लुप्तः भवति अत् रु अपि लुप्तः भवति अत् तत्र अवशेषं भवति अत् इति पदम् अवशेषं भवति. So Shatru, from Shatru you take At and that is added to the Parasmayapadi Dhatus. Well, that will come clear. Now we are going to see Prathama Prayogaha. Pullingi. Only Prathama Vibhakti we are going to see in Shatru Pratyanta Rupam. Now just read, very simple.
Balakaha
Pathan Gacchati.
Pathan Gacchati.
Chhatraha Shrunvan Likhati.
ऋषिः उपविशान् जपति
उपविशन्
जपति कपिः
खादन् आरोहति
नर्तकः नृत्यं गायति नेता स्मरन् लिखति.
So there are two actions here if you watch. One is going and reading, listening and writing, sitting and doing japa, eating and climbing in the case of the monkey, and dancing and singing, recollecting and writing. So two actions taking place by the same agent. Balakaha pathan gacchati. Boy gacchati. Balakaha gacchati. Okay, that is a very simple sentence. Balakaha gacchati means boy is going. Balakaha pathan gacchati. Boy is going while reading. So we use in this participle called present active participle in English. We call it as present active, where the meaning is while reading. You have to take. Otherwise, boy goes while reading, only reading, or boy goes reading. You can also say boy goes reading, may give some other meaning, while reading. So, Chhatraha likhati. A student is writing while listening. Shrunvan likhati. Then Rishihi, a sage, Japati is doing japa, meditation. How? Upavishan, while sitting. Rishihi Upavishan Japati. And Kapihi, a monkey, Khadan Arohati, is climbing the tree. A monkey is climbing the tree while eating a fruit or something. Khadan, while eating. Nartakaha, a dancer, Gayati, is singing while dancing. So singing and dancing simultaneously taking place. Neta, a leader, Smaran Likati, writes while remembering. So in this sense, while you see Patha Dhatu is used as Patan while reading, and Shrunoti, Shru Dhatu is used as Shrunvan while listening. Upavishati Dhatu is used as Upavishan while sitting, and Khadati verb is used as Khadan, an. You can see an is coming everywhere at the end. In Pullinga, you get this kind of, that is why in the direction given there, Prathama Prayogaha Pullingi. Now this Shatru Pratyaya Rupa which is given here, Gachan, Shrunvan, Piban, Smaran, etc., this is only for male members. If the subject or the agent is feminine, then you won't get Patan here. You get feminine, it changes into feminine gender. This is derivable. Patan, patantau, patantaha. Now take this very sentence and convert into Bahuvachana. Balakaha gachanti. How do you change this pattern into Bahuvachana? Balakaha gachanti. Balakaha gacchati ekavachana. Balakaha gachanti Bahuvachanam. Balakaha patantaha gachanti. Patantaha, patantau patantaha. While reading are going. Boys are going while reading. So like that, this is a derivable active present active participle iti Angla bhashayam. Shatru iti Samskriti. We will move more. Next. Now you read here carefully. Two sentences are there. Chhatraha patana
samakalam likhati. Chhatraha likhan patati.
Now the meaning of these two actions is condensed into one. Chhatraha patana samakalam likhati. Excuse me. The student is writing. Patana samakalam means at the same time of reading, at the same time of reading. So we say Chhatraha likhan patati. Patana samakalam means at the same time of reading is writing. So we say Chhatraha likhan patati. A student is reading while writing. Similarly, next.
Ramaha lekhana samakalam shrunoti. Ramaha shrunvan likhati.
So Rama is listening at the same time writing. Ramaha shrunvan likhati. Rama is writing while listening. Next. Bhimaha
Bhramana samakalam
khadati.
Bhimaha khadan bhramati.
So Bhramana samakalam, at the same time of roaming, is eating. So Bhimaha khadan bhramati, is roaming while eating. Khadan. Bhramana samakalam khadati. So khadati. Bhimaha khadan bhramati. Next.
Krishnaha khadana samakalam pibati. Krishnaha piban khadati.
Same meaning is Krishna is eating while drinking. Khadana samakalam pibati. Krishnaha piban khadati. Raghavaha
Shravana samakalam patati. Raghavaha patan shrunoti.
Patan shrunoti. Yes, Raghava listens while reading. Last. Keshavaha
Patana samakalam kridati. Keshavaha kridan patati.
Keshavaha kridan patati. Keshava is reading while playing. So these are the senses. While you have to incorporate in English to understand that. Now some more. Adho likitani rupani patata. Next page. Here Srinivas, how the present tense form, verbal form, gets transferred into Shatru Pratyanta, into Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana in Pullinga, in masculine gender is given. Patati becomes Patan. Likhati, Vadati, Gayati, Kridati, Gacchati, Tisthati, Milati, Smarati, Khadati. It looks very simple. Everywhere Khadati, an suffix is coming. So while doing, etc. Now the note says Patan Likhan Ityadinam Shatru Pratyantanam, of the Shatru, so-called Shatru Pratyanta, Moola Rupam Bhavati Patat. Actually the base form of all these Patan, Gachan, Likhan, Smaran, etc., the base form is Patan. If you take, it is Patat. And where is this patat coming from? Pata from the original verb. At is the Shatru Pratyanta. From Shatru you get at. I think it is there shown. I need not. Ityatra bhagadvayam. Patat likat ityadi. Patat ityatra bhagadvayam. Now there is patat. If you analyze, the book has given very clearly. There are two components, Srinivas. Pata plus at. Iti. Pata plus at is equal to patat. Pata iti dhatuhu. What is pata in this? The dhatu means the root in Sanskrit. At iti pratyaya. What is at? At is called the suffix. So when you take patha dhatu, the root, add this suffix pratyaya, it becomes patat. When it comes for derivation in masculine gender, it becomes patan, patanti. If it is feminine, patanti. If it is neuter, patat, stands patat as it is. Pratyayasya nama, the name of this pratyaya. Pratyaya means the participle, shatru. See, in the bracket it is given, what is given after the shatru? At. That means sha is deleted, ru is deleted, at is iti. Yasya rupasya ante shatru, after which suffix you find shatru, at iti pratyaya bhavati. At is the pratyaya there. Tat shatru pratyantam rupam. So that is called the shatru pratyanta rupam. Ataha, therefore, patat, likat, gachat, pibat ityadini shatru pratyanta rupani. All these are called shatru pratyanta rupani. These are the suffixes or the participles called shatru pratyanta, ending in shatru. Pullinge, in the masculine gender, patan, gachan, likhan, ityadi, ritya, like this, prathama ekavachane rupani. These are all nominative case singular number. Prathama, nominative first case singular numbers which are given here. Patan, likhan, vadan, gayan, kredan, gachan, chistan, milan, smaran, khadan, etc. All are given in prathama ekavachana. Srinivas. Now we are going to abhyasa. Adho nidishtanam kriyapadanam pumlinge shatranta rupani likhata. Now you are supposed to write Pullinga prathama ekavachana of these 20 forms here, and only one form is required here. For example, patati becomes patan while reading. Likhati becomes very simple while writing. But the meaning changes here. Mind you, likhati could mean two things if you remember. In Sanskrit, likhati could mean he is writing or he writes. Present continuous as well as present perfect. Simple present tense. Likhati. Aham pratidinam likhami. Aham pratidinam uttaram na likhami. I don't write a letter every day. So likhati, likhan, while writing. Gachati, while going. Japati, while meditating. Pibati, while drinking. Arohati, tarati, taran, while crossing or swimming. Arohati, while ascending. Patati, patan, while falling. So immediately you understand while falling. Nrutyati, while dancing. Pashyati, pasyan, while seeing. Bhramati, while roaming. Ganayati, ganayan, while counting. Charati, while moving. Upavishati, upavishan, while sitting. Tisthati, tishtan, while standing. Vahati, while carrying. Tadayati, while beating. Hasati, while laughing. Harati, haran, while stealing or taking away. Namati, while saluting. While naman, while saluting. Rakshati, rakshan, while protecting. So in this sense, this while you should attach to understand it better. That's a very simple abhyasa. Everywhere you copy the patan and derive all the 20 forms here. Then second abhyasa says, adho likita vakyani shatru pratyanta prayoge parivartayata. Now you convert this into, many sentences are there. How many? 24. You convert them into shatru pratyanta as per the example given here. Aham patana samakalam likhami. Aham likhan patami. Patana samakalam. I write at the same time of reading. So I read while writing. That is a sense again. Patana samakalam likhami. Patan likhami. If you say what happens, patan likhami, patana samakalam likhami. Patana samakalam likhami. पठन लिखामि, लिखन पठामि. Just a minute. Aham likhami. What, Srinivas?
Sir.
What if you say aham patan likhami, likhan patami? There is a change, na, in the meaning. Patana samakalam. At the time of reading, I write. What is coming here? Aham.
Vadan.
No, just a minute. Aham likhan patami. I write while. I read while writing. That is the sense. I read patami while writing. Naturally, while writing, you read. Like A while writing is like that. Okay. Second. Saha darshana samakalam vadati. Saha.
Vadan.
Darshana pashyati. Saha vadan pashyati. Saha vadan pashyati. He sees while talking. He sees while talking. 2.
Saha pana samakalam khadati.
So the Shatru is coming in the verbs here. Saha khadan pibati. Khadan, na? The verb khadati goes to Shatru. Saha khadan pibati. If you say saha piban khadati, would mean he eats while drinking. Meaning changes there. Saha khadan pibati. 3. Prakashaha swa panasa kamala. What is that? Swapana samakalam patati. Literally means Prakash reads at the same time of sleeping. Prakashaha patan swapiti. Prakashaha patan swapiti means he goes to sleep while reading. It happens now, while reading everybody goes to sleep. 4. Nagarajaha lekhana samakalam pashyati. It means Nagaraja sees at the same time, at this time of writing. So Nagarajaha pashyan likhati. Pashyan likhati. Nagarajaha pashyan likhati. Will go slow, no problem. 5. Kushaha yajana samakalam japati. Kusha is a name here, like Lava Kusha. Kusha does not anything mean here. Kushaha is the name of a person. Yajana samakalam, at the same time of sacrificing, japati, he meditates. So, japan yajati. Kushaha japan yajati. Sorry, 6th.
Mahishaha bhramana samakalam japati.
So, buffalo charan bhramati. Charan bhramati. Bhramana samakalam charati. Charati means eats grass. Charat. Grazes. So buffalo eats grass at the time while roaming. Mahishaha charan bhramati. 7. Rakeshaha, name of a person. Rakeshaha avatarana samakalam vadati. Rakesha speaks at the same time of ascending, coming down. So Rakeshaha vadan avatarati. Rakeshaha vadan avatarati. Rakesha descends while speaking. 8. Sudaha. So a cook, Sudaha means a cook. Chintayati is thinking about Pachana Samakalam at the same time of cooking. He thinks at the same time of cooking. So Sudaha Chintayan Pachati. That's good. Sudaha Chintayan Pachati. A cook while thinking cooks. Cooks while thinking. A cook cooks while thinking. That is the meaning. 8. 9. Krishna Smarati. Krishna Smaran Gachati. Krishna goes while remembering. Krishna is name of a person. Krishna smaran gacchati. 10. Chhatraha.
Lekana samakalam pruchhati.
So a student asks while writing. So
Chhatraha pruchan likhati.
Pruchan likati. Yes. Pruchan likati. Chhatraha pruchan likati. Next.
Nartakaha nartana samakalam gayati.
Dancer sings at the same time of dancing. So nartakaha gayan nrutyati. Nrutyati. Nartakaha gayan nrutyati. Gayan nrutyati. 13. Balaha
Kurdana samakalam
patati. Boy falls at this time of jumping. So balaha patan kurdati. Patan kurdati. A boy jumps while falls while jumping. A boy falls while jumping. 14.
Purushaha nindana samakalam tadati.
A person beats up at the same time of abusing. So Purushaha tadayan nindati. Purushaha tadayan nindati. Purushaha tadayan. So he scolds while beating. 15. Sunilaha
Patana samakalam
adishati. Sunilaha is the name of a person. Adishan patayati. Patayati here. Not patati. Patana samakalam. No. Patana samakalam. So Sunilaha Adishan patayati. Sunil teaches while giving order. 16.
Janaha kridana samakalam pashyati.
So Janaha Pashyan Kridati. Person while seeing plays while seeing. Janaha Pashyan Kridati. 17. Pita Patana Samakalam Upavishati. Pita Upavishan Patati. So father reads while sitting. Upavishan Patati. 18. Krushakaha
Chalana samakalam karshati.
Krushakaha Karshan Chalati. Farmer moves while plowing. Karshan. Krushakaha Karshan Chalati. A farmer moves while plowing. 19. Bhataha
Brahmana samakalam rakshati.
a cop. Rakshan Bhataha Rakshan. A cop while protecting Brahmati moves around. A cop while protecting moves around while protecting. A cop moves around while protecting.
Bhataha
Rakshan Brahmati. Brahmati. Brahmanam karoti iti. 20.
Bhaktaha vadana samakalam archati.
Bhaktaha Archan
Vadati.
Vadati. So Bhaktaha Archan Vadati. A devotee while speaks while worshipping. A devotee speaks while worshipping. Bhaktaha Archan Vadati. 21. Balaha Chalana. A boy Balaha Hasan Chalati. A boy moves while laughing. A boy is walking while laughing. 22. Kumaraha.
Khadana samakalam pibati. Kumaraha piban khadati.
Yeah, Kumaraha piban khadati means a boy while drinking eats while drinking. Piban khadati, drinks while eating. Next, 23rd. Ramaha
Lekha samakalam smrati.
Ramaha smaran likhati. Rama writes while remembering. Smaran. Ramaha smaran likhati. Rama writes while remembering. And the last one, 24. Aham
Brahmana samakalam na khadami.
Aham khadan na bhramami. I don't move around while eating. I do not move around while eating. Aham khadan na bhramami. Bhramami means roam. I don't roam around while eating. Aham khadan na bhramami. Brahmami comes. Na comes here. So these are the actions we have converted into Shatru Pratyayanta. Srinivas, we have to write, I think. Simple ones, we'll write. Where are our good pens? Do you see this? What is Abhyasa? One is given, na?
No, that's not separate.
Okay. One.
Saha Madan Drishyati.
Saha?
Madan Drishyati. Darshan Samakalam Vadati. Madan Drishyati.
Pashyati.
Madan Pashyati.
Next.
Saha Pana Samakalam Khati. Saha Khadan Pibati.
Next.
Prakashah Swapana Samakalam Patati. Prakashah Pathan Swapiti. Nagarajah Lekhan Samakalam Pashyati. Nagarajah Drushyan Likhati.
What is that?
Pashyana Samakalam. Sorry, Lekhan Samakalam Pashyati.
Pashyan. Likati.
Kushaha Yajana Samakalam Japati. Kushaha Japan Yajati.
What is that?
Kushaha
Kushaha. Okay.
Kushaha Japan Yajati.
One second. Yajan.
Japan
Japan.
What is the meaning of Yajan? Yajati.
Yajati sacrifices. Yaja. Yaja. Yajati na? Japan yajati.
Mahishaha Brahmana Samakalam Charati. Mahishaha Charan Brahmati.
Brahmati. Next.
Rakeshah Avatarana Samakalam Vadati. Rakeshah Vadan Avatarati. Sudaha Achana Samakalam Chintayati. Sudaha
Chintayan.
Chintayan Achati. Krishna Gamana Samakalam Smarati. Krishna Smaran Gacchati. Smaran Gacchati.
Actually, first word we need not write.
Mm.
Not necessary. Yes. Next bit. 10th one.
Chhatraha Lekhana Samakalam Pruchhati.
Chatraha, I am giving dash.
Pruchhan Likhati.
Because the subject is same, so we will not repeat it now.
11.
Got it.
Guruhu Darshana Samakalam Bodhayati.
Bodayan.
Darshayati.
Darshana. Pashyati. No?
Darshana Samakalam.
What is there? Darshana Samakal.
Darshana Samakalam.
What is the number?
11.
Bodayan. Pashyati. That is what? बोधयन् पश्यति. Sees while teaching. पश्यति.
नर्तकः नर्तनसमकालं गायति. गायन् नृत्यति.
गायन् नृत्यति.
बालः कूर्दनसमकालं पठति.
13.
पठन्
बालः. Understood.
पठन् कूर्दति.
कूर्दन पतति और पतन. What is that?
कूर्दनसमकालं
पतति. पतन कूर्दति.
पुरुषः निन्दनसमकालं ताडयति.
ताडयन्.
नयति. सुनीलः पाठनसमकालम् आदिश्यति.
आदिशन्.
पाठयति.
पाठयति. आदिशन्.
जनः क्रीडनसमकालं पश्यति.
पश्यन्.
क्रीडति. पिता पठनसमकालम् उपविशति.
उपविशन्.
पठति. चलनसमकालं कर्षति.
कर्षन्.
चलति. भटः भ्रमणसमकालं रक्षति. रक्षन्
भ्रमति. Let them see. We'll wait for some time. Any mistakes? Read, writing.
सः वदन् पश्यति. सः
खादन् पिबति. प्रकाशः पठन् स्वपिति. पश्यन्.
पश्यन् लिखति.
जपन् यजति. महिषः चरन् भ्रमति. वदन् अवतरति. राकेशः चिन्तयन् पचति. स्मरन् गच्छति.
पृच्छन् लिखति. बोधयन् पश्यति. गायन् नृत्यति. पठन्
कूर्दति. ताडयन् निन्दयति. आदिशन् पाठयति.
पश्यन्
क्रीडति. उपविशन् पठति. कर्षन् चलति. I don't know why it is descending from left to right. When I stand there, it looks okay. There is some problem with my eyes. I'm going in right. How many more? 19. 5. First 5 I will take out.
मदनसमकालम् अर्चति.
भक्तः
अर्चन् वदति. बालः चरणसमकालं हसति. हसन् चलति. कुमारः खादनसमकालं पिबति. पिबन् खादति. रामः लेखनसमकालं स्मरन् लिखति. अहं भ्रमणसमकालं न खादामि.
Last one.
न खादामि खादन्
खादन्
न
भ्रमामि.
खादन् न
No mistakes, na? So let them have a look. एवं द्विसप्तत्यधिक द्विशततमः पाठः अभ्यासः अपि समाप्तः भवति. अग्रे किञ्चित् पठामः. अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि पठथ. Now just read the following. बालकः गीतं शृण्वन् लिखति. बालकः गीतं शृण्वन् लिखति. छात्रः
अर्थं जानन् पठति.
बालकः
कन्दुकं
गृह्णन् अस्ति. गृहस्वामी
वस्तूनि क्रीणन्
अस्ति. So here बालकः गीतं शृण्वन् लिखति. Two actions as we said. Boy writes while listening to a song. गीतं शृण्वन् लिखति. गीतं शृण्वन् लिखति. A boy is writing or a boy writes while listening to a song. गीतं शृण्वन् किं करोति? लिखति. गीतं शृण्वन् अन्यत् कार्यं करोति, अन्यत् कर्म करोति. लिखति किं कर्म करोति? लेखन कर्म. गीतं शृण्वन् लिखति. छात्रः पठति अर्थं जानन् पठति. A student reads while knowing the meaning. Artham janan, knowing, while understanding the meaning, a student reads while understanding the meaning. Balakah, boy, kandukam grihnan asti. A boy is catching the ball. Here there is one action is less. Kandukam grihnan asti is catching the boy. This is used in present continuous sense. Grihaswami, house master, vastuni krinan asti is buying the things. The house master is buying the things. Krinan asti means is continuously buying the things. Continuously. So what the explanation gives here, avadheyam, eteshu vakyeshu, in these 4 sentences above, yani shatranta rupani santi, whatever these shatranta, shatru, ending forms are there, tani, those, visishtani santi, they are very special here. Purvam agatani, patati, patan, likati, likan, gacchati, gachan, Rupani yatha saralani etani na. These are not simple like the earlier read patati patan, likati likan, gacchati gachan. Rupani yatha saralani, which are very simple. Etani na tatha. These are not like that. Shrunoti becomes shrunvan. Janati becomes janan. Grihnati becomes grihnan. Krinati becomes krinan. So these are not like the previous set of verbs we have. Are we done? Yes. Atra vayam sthapayamaha. Here we stop. Shubham bhuyat.